Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about that how can you find your mistakes during English conversation, because everybody is making the mistakes. Some are making the lot of mistakes, some are making less mistakes. If you are doing less mistakes, then it's okay, because everybody is doing mistakes while speaking English language. As a non-native English speakers, and if you are native English language speakers, then perhaps you can make some kind of mistakes if you are a beginner. But if you are non-native and you are doing a lot of mistakes, doing a lot of mistakes is not good, but doing less mistakes is okay, because as a non-native, this is not your language. You are learning this language as a second language, and where there the second language, you can make the mistakes. And how can you find your mistakes? I think that right now the social media is available, and you can get help from social media, and cell phone is in your hand, and you can make videos in your mobile phone and speak for 5 minutes or for 4 minutes or for 3 minutes as you can. Then watch that video and search whatever mistake you made during your conversation. And when you will find some mistakes, try to not make those mistakes in next video. On daily basis, you can make videos, and you can check your accent, your mistakes through videos, because opportunity is available in your hand. If you are alone and you are not finding any friend who can correct you, then the social media, internet is available, and you can get help from internet. You can search. There are so many apps from your national language. You can make translation in English language, and in this way, if you are deep about English language, you don't know anything, then I think that you have heard that for copying you should be eligible. If you are not eligible, you will do the copy in wrong way. Copying the things also require eligibility. And if you are eligible, then you will copy other things in proper way. Otherwise, you would not know that whether whatever you have copied is correct or wrong. So intelligence is required. If you are intelligent, then you will do things according to your mind, according to your mentality. Otherwise, I have seen some students, those are not good in studies, and during the examination they copy, but still they are not able to get good marks in the examination, because they are dull, they are not intelligent, and due to dullard mentality, they are doing the wrong things. When they are copying in wrong way. They are writing down the wrong things. They are not aware about whatever they are writing is correct or wrong. So I think that intelligence is required. If you are intelligent, then you will do the things in proper way. I think that whatever I am willing to tell you, you have understood. And if you have understood, give your feedback below in comment box. And what are your suggestions about my today's videos? What is your mentality? You can write down your views, your suggestions below in comment box, and I will give you the reply. Hope you find this video useful. In next video, I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me. And if you are new on this channel, you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel so that you never miss our other videos which are uploaded on this channel. Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.